lips. You do, don't you? It's so interesting because when they're babies, they're just fiends for marshmallows, and they're not really interested in anything, you know, reasonably healthy for them. Marshmallows and grapes, actually, when they're young. And now she's got a couple marshmallows in her bowl. Sorry, baby, didn't mean to scare you. And she's got a couple on the ground, and she's got a couple down over there that I tried to give her. Not interested. Her and her siblings used to fight over them. We have a closet that was literally full of boxes of marshmallows. Because, like I said, we had 10 raccoons coming at one point. We had 2 moms and their babies that would come by usually twice a night. So that's like 20 feedings. Now she's just not very interested in the marshmallows. Tastes change, I guess. Tastes change, I guess. I don't care what you eat as long as you come here. I love your visits. Would you try to stay in frame, please? Making my job difficult. No one's gonna want to watch your videos if you keep moving around all the time. done. What are you doing? You done? Good night.